Are you tired of that overwhelming feeling when an unexpected expense pops up? You know, the one that sends your carefully crafted budget into a tailspin? If you're using budgeting apps, you might be wondering, does Pocketguard have sinking funds? It's a great question, and one that gets right to the heart of smart financial planning. Many of us are familiar with the traditional budgeting approach, where you allocate your income to fixed expenses and then hope for the best with what's left. But life, as we all know, is full of surprises, appliance breakdowns, car repairs, holiday gifts, home maintenance, the list goes on. This is where sinking funds come in. For those unfamiliar, a sinking fund is essentially a savings account specifically designated for a future, known expense. It's not an emergency fund, which is for truly unexpected emergencies, but rather a proactive way to save for anticipated costs that don't occur every single month. Think of it as pre-funding your future needs, smoothing out your cash flow and preventing those sudden budget blows. Instead of scrambling when your car needs new tires, you've already set aside money for them over several months. This strategy is incredibly powerful because it turns large, irregular expenses into smaller, manageable savings goals. It reduces financial stress, prevents debt, and gives you a much clearer picture of your true financial standing. So, how does Pocketguard, a popular budgeting app known for its simplicity and see-your-money-at-a-glance approach, fit into this sinking fund strategy? Pocketguard's core strength lies in its ability to automatically track your income and expenses, helping you understand where your money is going and how much is safe to spend. It categorizes your transactions and provides a clear overview of your financial health. However, when it comes to dedicated sinking fund features, meaning specific, built-in tools designed solely for creating and managing separate sinking fund categories with distinct savings goals, Pocketguard doesn't have an explicit, dedicated sinking funds module in the same way some other budgeting apps might. Does this mean you can't use Pocketguard to manage your sinking funds? Absolutely not. You just need to be a little creative with how you utilize its existing functionalities. Here's how you can do it effectively. The most straightforward way to implement sinking funds within Pocketguard is by using its goals feature or by creating custom categories. You can set up a goal for each sinking fund you want to establish, perhaps car maintenance, holiday gifts, or home repairs. Within each goal, you can specify a target amount and a target date. As you contribute money towards these funds, you can manually mark transactions as contributions to these goals or assign them to a custom category you've created specifically for that sinking fund. For instance, if you transfer $50 to a savings account designated for car maintenance, you would categorize that transfer within Pocketguard as car maintenance savings. Another effective method is to create custom spending categories. For example, you could create a category called Sinking Fund Car Repair and another called Sinking Fund Vacation. As you allocate money to these funds, you would simply assign those transactions to the respective custom categories. While Pocketguard won't automatically tell you how much you should be saving for each sinking fund, its reporting features will allow you to see how much you've contributed to each custom category over time. While Pocketguard might not have a one-click Add Sinking Fund button, its flexible categorization and goal-setting features allow users to successfully incorporate this powerful financial strategy into their budgeting routine. It requires a little manual setup and consistent tracking, but the benefits of reduced financial stress and greater financial control are well worth the effort. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.